Good morning, all of you. My name is Rajushi. Uh, I am sharing about my journey. Uh, I own
Sir, please continue.
I own was my small village. My village name is Keria in district Hathras, and my study is eighth completed government school, and then uh, 12th completed private school, and and uh, I uh, I have not idea in future and in future anyone doing doing this work in work in jobs and and my cousin brother in came to uh, my house and and said to me uh, said to me uh, uh, be, said to me this agriculture is uh, agriculture BSc in agriculture is uh, good opportunity and good jobs after completed and I took the admission in Agra BSc agriculture. Then one year completed, uh, I came to back home and second my my uh, uh, cousin brother came to my home and and said to me, uh, diploma in diploma polytechnic diploma is very popular that time. So I want to uh, uh, you took the admission diploma polytechnic diploma and completed. Uh, but in future many option many jobs uh, many jobs and good future in the completed diploma. Then uh, I left agriculture BSc and prepared and preparing entrance exam, polytechnic entrance exam, and one uh, one time not selection in entrance exam and try to second time try to trying and my selection is diploma in architect in government school Agra. I took the admission. I took the admission polytechnic diploma in architecture, and then 3 year diploma completed architecture diploma. Then uh, I got marriage. I then then one day my father's eh, uh, in future in I will I will I will future future job के लिए I will
Future. I
क्या
thought for
सोच
job. Okay. What have you thought about future?
thought about future but and 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 I called to my my friends my friends said to me one vacancy in my company and try to this this company that time and I uh, uh, ठीक उससे पहले before I try to many cities my hometown there's Aligarh wise many architecture apply to job then 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 uh, many interviews and 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 job person, and we 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 have 3 months, 3 months uh, learning. Then after decide to be confirm job, but I agree, but uh, 10 days, 10 days, approx 15 days completed, then I left this jobs, and and I I I came to Delhi, and that time I joining company's name, CSB Techno Private Limited. Tech com- companies working was uh, property valuation, and joined I joined company, and 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 uh, uh, my bosses said to me, uh, uh, he uh, he lived in Vallabhgarh. Then then I agree, this job, and 2015 my first job, and and uh, and 3 months then completed my jobs, and many people's uh, to meet another companies, and 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 uh, one vacancy, another person one vacancy my company, and give me interview my company. And one day I thought one day I decided to uh, went to Noida, and I I I I agree. I agree this job, and one day, same that time leave, left job, and joining next day in Noida, and and Noida, my timing spend for traveling in metro, approx 4 hours every day. And and one day I thought uh, uh, my timing very loss in uh, only travelings, and one day decided uh, uh, he he is left this job, and same day interviews in Delhi, and I selected, and same that time is left Noida jobs, and 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 I joined in Faridabad 2024 in present companies, and I I proudful self, and good opportunity in this time to learn speak English speaking, and and I want to my dreams, and easily goals, easily easily, and I will try to good uh, day by day in future. Thanks.